Let's see question number 3. This you can do by yourself. You have to make the frequency distribution table for the given information that the weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory are. So this is the weekly wages of the 30 workers. And also the one hint is given to you that you can take the class intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on till 890 to 900. So this try to do by yourself. On the basis of this we can do the question number 4, that on the given information in question number 3, according to that we have to make the histogram. So let's see. So if you do the question number 3, so such kind of frequency distribution table you can make. So we use this first column and last column to make the histogram. So your class interval can be on x-axis and frequency can be on y-axis. So if you draw the histogram, it looks like this. On x-axis you have wages in rupees, that is your class interval. On y-axis you have number of workers. So we can start from this line because we are starting from the 800, not from the 0. So we have to do this lines. This is the broken line, or you can say jagged line. So 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830, so on you can write till 900. So now we use the frequency, how many times this repeated. So 800 to 810 we have 3, so we draw the bar of height 3. Then 810 to 820 2, 820 to 830 only 1, 830 to 840 number of workers are 9. Then 840 to 850 number of workers are 5. 850 to 860 number of worker 1. 860 to 870 number of workers 3. 870 to 80, 880 and 880 to 890. For these two intervals the number of worker is 1. And for last 890 to 900 the number of workers are 4. So this way we can make the frequency histogram for the given frequency distribution table of question number 3. So this is all about your question number 3 and 4. So on the basis of this we have given some questions. Let's see, which group has the maximum number of workers. So if you see the highest bar is 9. So which group it is? 830 to 840. So our answer is in between wages 830 to 840 there are highest number of workers, that is 9. Move on to the next question. How many workers can earn 850 and more? See the histogram, 850 and more. So we have to do the total of 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 11. So total 11 workers are there who can earn in bit more than 850. Next question is, how many workers earn less than 850? Again these 850 is here, so below that. So 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 16, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. So 20 workers are there whose earning is less than 850. So this is all about your question number 4. Move on to the next question. The number of hours for which students of a particular class watch television on during holidays is shown through the given graph. So this is your graph. Which graph it is? Histogram. Hours of TV watch per day, and here it is number of students on y-axis. So time intervals 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. This is the hours of TV watch per day. Now, so during 1 to 2 hours, 4 students are there who watch TV. 2 to 3, 8 students are there. Between 3 to 4 hours, 22 students are there. Between 4 to 5, 32 students are there. Between 5 to 6, 8 students were there, and 6 to 7, 6 students were there. So let's see, we try to give the answers what is the question? For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? So that is 32 students. This is the maximum number of students who watch TV for 4 to 5 hours. Next question. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? So less than 4 hours start from here. That is 22 plus 8, 30, 30 plus 4. So 34 students were there who watched TV for less than 4 hours. How many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? So there you have to start from here, 5 more than 5 hours. So in between 5 to 6, 8 students were there. In between 6 to 7, 6 students were there. So 8 plus 6, 14. So 14 students were there who spent more than 5 hours in watching TV. So this is all about your exercise 5.1. Thank you.